Good morning and hello. My name is Eugene. I'm one of the owners here at IndyAutoMan. One of the privileges that I get to have with the job is that I get to drive nice cars. And I thought it'd be really cool to post about some of them and to share some of the knowledge that we've accumulated throughout the years. So over here we have a 2018 Lincoln Navigator Reserve. Now, here's some interesting facts about the Navigator. The restyling happened in 2018. It's got a 3.5 liter Ford EcoBoost engine. Now, great gas mileage, great torque, great power, but the problem is, and I'll be honest with you, it's the timing chains. You always want to get these things inspected for any timing chain noise because the timing chains, the cams and the phasers go bad a lot. We probably do 5 to 6 timing jobs a month on these EcoBoost engines. And that comes in the Ford F-150, the Lincoln Navigator, the Ford Explorer, even the Ford Expedition. So this engine is something to watch for. Now, I will tell you, Lincoln does a phenomenal job with their warranties. On these Lincolns, you get a 7-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Now, the Lincoln Navigators have a few trim levels. They have the base, which is their Select. They have the middle of the road, which is the Reserve, and they have their top of the line, which is the Black Label. Now, the biggest difference between the base model, the Select, and the Reserve are the wheels, the running board, and a few interior items. Now, some of the cool features about this Navigator is number one, the room, the torque. This thing can tow up to 10,000 pounds. It's got enough room for 7 people, and if you really want to pack it, you could probably get 12. Not safely, but you'll get them in there. One of the things that I really like too, it's got wireless charging. You literally just put your phone in the cup holder, thing charges by itself. It's got Apple CarPlay, Android CarPlay. It's got a full panoramic moonroof. Every single feature you could imagine, it's pretty much got. One of the other cool things, on my way to work, as soon as I hop in the car, I press this little button over here and the seats start to massage you. You want butt massagers, you want back massagers? One button and it's everything you could need. It's also got a killer sound system. Any music that you play, you can jam out. The other cool thing is too, with the keyless entry, the moment you walk up to the car, the whole thing lights up, the power boards come down, and the car unlocks, all while the key's in your pocket. You don't even have to hit a button. And then when you leave and you hit the lock button, everything closes up, the mirrors fold in, easy to go. Now, one of the other cool things is this thing has a pretty badass heads-up display. So whenever you're driving, right in front of you, in the windshield, you can see all the information about how fast you're going, what song you're playing, which direction to take. It even gives you the information about the adaptive cruise control. You can set this thing to be 100 feet, 200 feet, or 300 feet behind the nearest car, and it'll automatically keep pace with the cars in traffic, which is really cool. It's also got the auto start stop feature, which I personally hate, but all the cars come with it. I always turn it off when I'm driving because I don't like the car stopping and starting every time I get to a stoplight. If you go back here, you'll see everything in the car is power, so you don't have to do anything manually. You want to open the rear door. Rear window. I actually haven't ever opened the trunk before, so let me figure this out over here. There we go. All power, right? The cool thing is too, all of the seats are power. You press the buttons right here, the seats come up, the seats fold down. Literally, you do nothing. Super easy. Hit a button, car closes. Me personally, one of my favorite cars to drive because of the room, because of the space, because of the power, because of the options. It's even got blind spot. Everything you could possibly want in a SUV, this thing's got. It's really comparable also to the Tahoe Premiers, to the Suburbans. The reason that I would choose this car over them is, honestly, it just feels better. When you're driving this thing, the steering wheel automatically turns on for the heated steering wheel. The heated seats automatically turn on. Like, everything is designed with comfort in mind. That being said, that's an overview of the 2018 Lincoln Navigator Reserve.